Okay, here's another quick video update on my LS lifter stories. As I've already made clear before, I had a set of these Comp Cams Evolution series lifters in my LS1 5.3, which is in my 2002 Avalanche, and I took them out after running them for about 1.5 years. So here they are, out of the engine, and they never ran very quiet at all. They were noisy and very disappointing after running them 1.5 years with 3 different kinds of oil and noisy. Took them out, so now I have the OEM style lifters, what you see, similar to what you see here with the plastic trays, and this is the GM part number. That's what's in there now, and they've been in there now for about something like 12, something in between. I haven't checked exactly, but something in between 12 to 14 hours of run time now. So here they are running right now. It's a real hot day. It was about 89, 90 degrees. I just went out to run some errands, and I just got back, and that engine is good and hot right now, and that's when the lifters get noisy. That's when you hear them the most, no matter what I've got in there. 3 different kinds of lifters now, and that's when they get their noisiest. The hotter it gets, the hotter the oil gets, the thinner the oil gets, the more you hear them. So anyways, right now I've got 5 weight 30 synthetic oil in there, and so this is just another update of what they sound like. Let me open the hood here. So anyway, there you have it. I think they are getting just a little bit quieter as they run in, and maybe once they get to be about, I don't know, somewhere between 20 to 40 hours, that's pretty much where they're going to run, and that's how they're going to be. That's been my experience. So anyway, I have a lot better results with the OEM lifters than with anything that I got with the two different sets of Comp Cam lifters. And as I've already said before, as far as I'm concerned, these are a complete failure. And you know, if somebody's going to tell me how it's my fault, I'd like to hear it. You know, how it's my fault or the engine's fault, I'm not seeing it. So, like I said, you know, I go back to the basics, go back to stock GM, and they're not dead silent, but they are a whole lot quieter, and so that's what I'm going to stick with on this engine. And I don't know if I ever build another performance engine that needs higher performance than what you're going to get with your stock GM units. I don't know whose lifters I'm going to try. I'm open to suggestions, but I will never buy another set of Comp Cam's lifters. I'm sorry. I will buy another Comp camshaft. I'll buy another camshaft like what I have in the truck right now. Great camshaft. Does exactly what I want it to do. Runs great. I'll buy another one of those, but I'm not putting these lifters on anything ever again. Okay. Thanks for watching.